Transcription number 27, 5 seconds. Start. Mr. Vice Chairman, Sir, I rise to support the Plantations Labour Amendment Bill brought up by the government for our consideration. Sir, the said plight of millions of toiling people who sweat on various plantations in the country to earn valuable foreign exchange for us is really too much to be expressed in words. These workers live and work in most inhuman and pitiable conditions. These plantations include tea, coffee, chichona, rubber, etc. And as we know, tea alone is one of the major foreign exchange earners of our country. But, sir, it is indeed most regrettable that notwithstanding a lapse of 34 years since our independence, these workers who earn crores and crores of rupees by way of foreign exchange have to live in most miserable conditions. They live in houses that are most insecure and collapse frequently, and when these workers die as a result of these collapse, their guardians or their dependents do not get even due compensation for the loss that they have to bear unhygienic living in distant and far-flung areas, compounded with lack of medical and educational facilities, make their life utterly miserable. These plantation workers have to live in abject poverty.